remedy will cure your acne and make your skin a little bit lighter. Maybe one or two shades. Let's see. So, welcome to the day 2 of skincare series. In the first day, we had exfoliated our face and cleansed every single pore of our face. Okay, and in the second day of this skincare transformation series, we'll focus on acne and tanning. We will try to treat that acne and make our skin a little bit lighter. Let's start with the remedy. For acne and for making our skin a little lighter, we need to prepare a DIY face mask which is going to be made from natural ingredients. So the ingredients that we need is natural aloe vera gel, and the second ingredient is wild turmeric. And let me give you little information about all these three ingredients, okay? Starting with the aloe vera gel, natural aloe vera. I think we all are aware about aloe vera, how hydrating it is, and how it makes your skin plump, supple, soft, and it contains a lot of properties. It has vitamin E in it, and aloe vera, we all know, is the best thing in this planet for our facial skin, for hair also. Moving to the second one, wild turmeric. Wild turmeric will help you to lighten your skin and it will treat acne as well. Wild turmeric, we all know, contains anti inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So, for making this paste, we need fresh plant based aloe vera gel. You can use market based one, but I think if you have plant based, then go for it. Take the fresh aloe vera from the plant, cut it out, extract the gel from it, and transfer it to a clean bowl. Mix a little bit of a pinch of wild turmeric. If you're using a kitchen haldi, then you will use it a pinch of, and if you're using wild turmeric, you can go for 1 teaspoon. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. You can change the ratio and according to your need, according to your preference, and make a paste of it. It is going to be a little bit difficult to dissolve wild turmeric in this aloe vera gel. It will take some time, approximately 4 to 5 minutes, but this is going to be worth. So mix it completely and make a nice paste, and then wash your face, pat it dry, and apply this face mask on your whole face, including neck. After 15 to 20 minutes, you will wash it off. You need to keep this face mask for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. You can also keep it for 15 minutes, but if you keep it for 20 minutes, I think it's better. Then, after 20 minutes, after washing your face, do not forget to moisturize your skin. Use a good moisturizer which is hydrating. So, this was the remedy for day 2. This remedy will treat your acne. Obviously, not in one application. It cannot treat your acne in one application. You need to follow it regularly. So this was the day 2 of skincare series. और इसी के साथ अगर ये सीरीज़ आप कर रहे हैं तो इसको आप नाइट टाइम पे कीजिए, प्रेफरेबली नाइट टाइम, अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है, ठंड ज़्यादा लग रही है, मन नहीं कर रहा है रात को कुछ करने का, तो यू कैन डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग आवर्स और इन द आफ्टरनून ऑल्सो. एनीवेज, दे आर गोइंग टू गुड रिजल्ट्स. 5 days ये स्किन केयर सीरीज फॉलो करिए और डिफरेंस आप खुद ही देख लीजिएगा. ओके, ये नेचुरल रेमेडीज़ हैं. दे डू टेक सम टाइम टू शो द रिजल्ट्स, बट दे डेफिनेटली वर्क फॉर अ longer period of a time. So this was all about the day 2 of this skincare series. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you are loving this skincare series, then please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.